InstaPayz so powerful and damn profitable it should be illegal. Press one button equals activate the Instagram hack that forces. No waiting. No extra expenses. No bulk wrap. And it's 100% legal. Click play, see how InstaPayz works. Instant websites, traffic ads, email marketing suite and damp Instagram content creation all included in your product today. Our members have made $54,436.32 with this Instagram hack. Works on any computer, phone or tablet. Zero extra expenses required. 100 plus beta testers profited. Even total beginners are making money. 100% legal and damp ethical. Zero risk. 365-day money-back guarantee. We'll pay you $300 if you fail. Get InstaPayz at a one-time price. $197 monthly, pay just $19 once and use forever. Click here now for instant access. This offer expires soon, get it now. Get this before the timer hits 0. 04 hours 00 minutes 31 seconds. Look. This Instagram hack just paid me $1,874.23. Hey, take a quick glance at that screenshot below. Yup, you're looking at a payment I received for a total of $1,874.32. It all boils down to using a little-known hack, which practically forces Instagram to pay us a minimum of $143 per hour. And here's the best part. Because there are no additional expenses involved, I get to keep every penny of profit. That means, no paying for hosting, autoresponders, tracking software, solo ads, traffic, or anything else that costs you additional money. InstaPayz is a complete system. We get everything we need to profit from scratch. So you don't need to spend a dime extra on those pesky upsells. All you need are two things: an internet connection, access to InstaPayz. Once you have those two things, you're all set. InstaPayz is compatible with any device, computer or laptop. InstaPayz makes me cold hard cash like this every single day. And it's not just working for us. We handed InstaPayz a group of beginner beta testers to make sure it worked. We wanted to be extra sure we had our hands on something rock solid. So we handed InstaPayz to 100 different beta testers. And what happened next will shock you. In just 7 days, every single beta tester made money. Keithy $92.23 earned from Instagram. Guy R $148.59 earned from Instagram. Manuel F $243.53 earned from Instagram. Liz V $106.74 earned from Instagram. Anthony E $212.56 earned from Instagram. Marie J $148.59 earned from Instagram. Emily G $153.16 earned from Instagram. Michael B $140.26 earned from Instagram. Mel L $99.60 earned from Instagram. Take a look at our users who are generating Instagram profits right now. InstaPayz verified user Mark B. Chicago, USA. You are the man, brother Wesley. Just 24 hours in, and I already made $249.04. Time to take my family to the local Six Flags. InstaPayz verified user Todd Y. Miami, USA. This actually works. I've never had any luck with anything else out there, but InstaPayz lives up to the hype. You rock, Wesley. Keep up the great work. InstaPayz verified user Becky R. Madison, USA. I appreciate you letting me use the InstaPayz software to make $204.67 with your little Instagram hack. I have seen nearly everything out there. And this is super unique. Never seen anything like it before. Dead simple, we're just 3 clicks away from receiving $143.79 per hour with Instagram. Click number 1, get InstaPayz. Access InstaPayz online on your computer or mobile phone. Works on any device. Click #2. Activate. Use the same loophole that's paying us $143.79 per hour. Push button simple. Click #3. Receive. We get paid to our bank accounts or PayPal. The payments never stop coming in. InstaPayz lets me enjoy the finer things of life. Still struggling to earn online in 2022? It's finally 2022, but are you fearing it'll be no different from the last? Are you tired of constantly spinning your wheels and never making money online? Wish you could find the one magic bullet that'd allow you to succeed? If you answered yes, then this may be the most important letter you'll read in 2022. Because if you're tired of watching endless videos, being confused, unable to figure anything out, and if you want a surefire path for online success in 2021, then please, give your full focus for just a couple minutes. Get InstaPayz at a one-time price. $197 monthly. Pay just $19 once and use forever. Click here now for instant access. This offer expires soon. Get it now. Get this before the timer hits 0:04 hours 00 minutes 31 seconds. I am willing to help you, but I must have your full attention. After working with thousands of people personally, the ones who succeed are those who give their full focus and attention. Those who don't focus are far less likely to succeed. So if you're serious about succeeding in 2022, listen to every word on this page. Sound fair enough? Good.